Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. After a bit of a break, we are going to resume our blog writing series. Today we're talking about how to design the layout of your blog site. By this point, you know what your blog is going to be about, who your target audience is, and what the name of your blog is. Now you need to decide what will actually be on your blog website and what it will look like. Your blog website needs to accomplish two main things: to get people to click and to get people to stay. We'll briefly cover both. To get people to click, your blog needs to incorporate elements of SEO or search engine optimization. You can do this both on the website itself and within your blog posts. I did a video about SEO some time ago, and we will cover it in more detail in a future video. One of the keys to good SEO is strategic use of keywords in your titles and descriptions and in the blog posts themselves. Once people are on your website, you want them to stay for as long as possible. My tips, gleaned from my background as a website designer and developer, are as follows. Number 1, the landing page of your website should include a clear statement of what the blog is about. This shouldn't be buried in a paragraph of text. It needs to be immediately obvious from a heading or an image or something. Number 2, don't have a complicated menu structure. No matter where you are on your website, you should be able to navigate to any page in no more than 3 clicks. Number 3, remember your target audience and design your blog site to appeal to them. What age demographic are they in? How much do they know about your blog's primary subject? Are they conservative and traditional or a little bit edgy? Are they creative minds or logical minds or a little bit of both? And finally, consider accessibility. When you're deciding on fonts and colors, remember that your site may be viewed by people who are visually impaired or who may be prone to seizures triggered by certain lights and patterns. Also consider how your site will look across devices. That's it for today. I'll see you on Friday.